Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, as we discussed already yesterday, the market had a gap down, but it opened on a level where I'm aggressively selling it, okay. So if you guys see, here is where I had plans of selling it, but what happened? It opened down, okay, it opened down and this was a good pullback, and this big red candle gave me a good confidence, so I shorted it on this green candle, and this was my stop loss. And I have a target of very big target. Okay, I have this was my initial target where I booked half my quantity. Okay, but this is my next target. Okay, 22,134 is my next target, so I'm waiting for it. For me, market seems doesn't seem extremely negative. It's because the war is really happening or not. There is not so much news about it. All we had news was Iraq has launched a lot of rockets or missiles towards uh, what is it? Israel is what we had the news, and we did see some footages which made us understand that okay, there is a war scenario going to happen. Yeah, so that's it, nothing more. And after that we did not see any big kind of bombing or anything happening, but this is kind of this is a war scenarios down, guys. Okay, so most probably only if it breaches below 22,250 and below, I'll be looking forward to short it more, or else there is a very high probability it can go volatile here. This can become extremely volatile zone. Okay, this can become a zone totally. Okay, because it will go up then down, up then down. This is what can happen. So it's better to be cautious here and stay out of market at least for quite some time now. So this is what I did. So this is where I got an opportunity on Nifty, and Bank Nifty had a very good opportunity. So I shorted it here because it opened exactly at our level. That is not this, but the second level. It opened at second level, and I did not short it here immediately. I was waiting for this pullback. On this pullback, I shorted it, and because this was my level, I closed it exactly there. Yeah, because this was my level, I closed it exactly there. I don't know why the drawings are not plotted here, but it's plotted on my tablet. It's not plotted in my PC. I don't know for some reason, but here is where I exited because seeing this support. Okay, so now where I'll be shorting it again is below this. That is 47 47,730 and below. If the market breaches, I'll be shorting it, and my target will be at this will be the immediate target, that is 47,480. Okay, this will be the first target, but now I'm holding this trade. Let's see how this goes for tomorrow. And Bank Nifty and Nifty, let me be very clear, if it breaches 22,260 and below, I'll be looking forward to short it again. Okay, then we can see US oil. Now I have an opportunity to short it here, so I was waiting for this green candle. Now this is an opportunity for me. I'm going to short it here. That is $84.93 is where I'm shorting it, and my stop loss is 50 points. Okay, nothing more than that. It's just 50 points of stop loss. I'm just giving some space, okay, because market might come here, it can take time, then come down. This is a zone where it has good orders, so there is a probability for it to come down from here. Okay, I've shorted it here, and my target here is, this is my immediate target, that is $82.90. This is my target. Okay, then we see gold. If you see, it has not gone anywhere. It did not reach any of our places, so we can't buy or sell here. It's stuck. See, commodities tend to go up or down depending on the economic impact. Okay, economical impact. But what's happening here is, even what is happening or not, nobody really knows now, as of now. Okay, so after that only we can see pump or dump happening in any commodity. Okay, so we are still waiting on a level on gold, that is above 24,400, that is 2,400 and above. I'll be looking forward to buy, and 2,325 and below, I'm looking forward to sell it. Yeah, that's for gold. And I have one stock for swing trading for tomorrow, that is GMM. GMM looks good for me because it's slowly moving up, so I'll be buying it at 1407, and my stop loss will be here. Okay, below this candle, below this swing will be my stop loss. If it breaks this swing, there's a probability for it to come down, so 1323 will be my stop loss. Okay, so and most of my stocks are on red, which is totally fine. If you guys see, this is the heat map of today's market. Not big of an impact, guys. There were days we have seen the whole heat map was fully red. Okay, Even 3% only, few stocks have gone. If you guys see this, I'll show you. This is the one stock which has gone 3%, and these are the stocks which have gone 2%, and this is on the 1%, and this is zero. Many stocks, okay, did not even do a lot of things. So it doesn't look that bad. We in fact have ONGC pumping like 5% up. Okay, let's just see how it is. ONGC. You see, ONGC has pumped up 5%. We have already had our good share in this. Okay, we bought it, we exited. Now this looks like a very good level, but it has to breach properly. This can act like a resistance, and this can act like a support. Okay, so above this there is a good opportunity to buy, but let's wait for the price action, then we'll decide. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was informative. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. So we are coming out with a new strategy tomorrow. It is going to be one of the best strategies. Like, anybody, even beginners, can like just look at the chart, buy or sell. Just do it in Nifty 50. I'll tell you everything about the strategy tomorrow, and after some time the strategy will be private, because it's a very, very powerful strategy. I hope you guys like this content. Please like, share and subscribe. Do support my channel, and please do watch the video fully, so I'll be able to reach my audience. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.